Welcome back, Direct Fam. Thank you for checking out this video and tuning in today. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that. Hit that bell also because I do drop videos weekly. You don't want to miss anything. So this week we will be making rose water. So I have my rose petals here already, right? I usually have a bouquet in the house about weekly, and right before they get too bad, I take them out and I make some rose water. So you don't want to wait till they get all crispy. You still want them soft, a little soft. They don't have to be a fresh bouquet. You can let it sit for 3-4 days as a decoration in your home and then take the petals off. You do want to wash them off though, because whatever they're grown in, whatever pesticides, chemicals, you don't want that in your rose water. So you definitely want to keep them, get them clean. And it just purifies, spring water, whatever type of water. Just give them a good rinse before you put them in the water for your rose water. So I've really been getting into aromatherapy, taking a couple online courses, little information here and there, and I love it. I have a steam going on my stove right now. The whole house smells amazing. Feels good for the lungs and everything. And so rose is really good for depression, anxiety. It's a mood booster, helps with menstruation, what else? Circulation. It's just really a mood booster. As soon as you smell it, you're like, you ever smell some flowers and be like, woo, woo. Yes, you can have this on you wherever you go. I like to spray it in my hair, and when you're out and you get that wind blow, you get a little whip. Oh, that's neat. It's very light, good. It's just something you can spray around the house if you would like, on yourself if you would like. It's a really good freshener for you. I personally just squirt a couple at night after my bath, a little in my hair, good to go. Tomorrow you smell it, bomb. People love it. I have sent it to my mother. She, honestly, I'm probably going to be sending this to her because she's used her big bottle already, and she's asking me to send her some more. So also with rose, you do rose oil. There's so many things you can do with flowers. I love working with flowers. I love some flower power, okay? Some flower magic. It's so amazing. You can take it, put these in your bath water, teas. I prefer, probably not this in teas. You want to probably get some really clean flowers, really go where you need to go to see how they really doing with these flowers, because you never know. So I wanted to talk to you about some books I have. I have this book, which it got me started. I'll be honest, it got me started, but it's kind of difficult to go through. But they do have pictures. They have like they identify the parts of the plant and what you can use each part of the plant for. So it has some good information, and this is for like herbs all around the world. I like this book a lot because I do take a lot of trail walks. I'm outside a lot, outdoors, and I'm not from California, so they have a lot of different things that I haven't seen before. So this is an herb identifier. Saved my life. Like, you really can come in here and it'll teach you what it's all about. And this book blew my mind. I'm not even gonna hold you. This book is really good. It is called Medicine for a New Millennium, Herbal First Aid and Healthcare. Y'all, it teaches you how to deliver a baby in here, if someone has had a body part amputated, what to do, all sorts of things I hope I never need to do, but it's a very good first aid book. It teaches you about a lot. It gives you a bunch of little recipes and really remedies for anything that could be going on with you. It's going to tell you what you need to do, how you need to prepare it, and how you need to apply it. No, this is Healing with Crystals. And this is my Cannabis Spa at Home book. It's quite interesting. I've learned a lot out of this book. That is. Really, I've learned how to break the cannabis down and use it in a lot of different forms. It teaches you multiple processes, how to get the THC out of it, or the CBD out of the plant. And so if you want to see some more of these at-home spa recipes, let me know. And if you want to see any CBD ones, I'm definitely interested in getting into that. In the last book here, we have Earth Medicine, Earth Food. Amazing. This is what I was saying earlier about the herbs, and in previous videos about what you eat is literally medicine. You can fuel your body, and there's little things throughout your day that you can add to your diet or your regimen that can really enhance and boost your living, your health, all things. So these are just some books I wanted to go over. I already told you what rose helps with. Anti-aging, people put in a lot of skincare products because it helps with your skin. It has a very good skin aid. So what you want to do for this recipe, or this, I guess recipe, I guess we're going to use recipe, huh? Is you want rose petals as much as or little as you like. Clean them. I have dry rose petals here as well. I'll talk about that later. And then I have a glass container for any leftover rose water I have that's not going to fit in this bottle. You want a dark glass bottle to keep it in, and you want to keep it in a dark, cool space so it can last longer. So you have a brown dark bottle here, and then a label. Always label, 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 label. You don't want just random bottles all around. And I actually have a little bit of rose essential oil. So first things first is cleaning them, which has been done. So the next thing is adding this to water. You can use alkaline water, spring water, purified water. I prefer spring, but to each its own. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these in the water, and I'll show you how that looks. So I've added the roses in the water. You want to put it on low medium heat, really medium heat, to bring it to a boil and cover it. Once it gets to a boil, you still wanted to let it steep in there for a little bit longer. You really just want to wait till all the colors out of the flowers. When the flowers start getting white, you're good to go. So I'll be back in a few minutes to show you how it's going to look. So it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. You want it to where the petals are getting lighter. A lot of them are like a light pink, a few are white, but you want all those benefits and properties inside of your water. So now that it's been boiling, look, purple water. Now that it's been boiling, you want it to sit for a little while and cool down so you can just strain it and bottle it. But for now, just gonna let it sit, settle. Also have me a respiratory steam going right now. I'm telling you, get into the aromatherapy, the Bath and Body Works bull crap. No, negative. All those chemicals. Go pick your own herbs out, your own flowers, and get it done, period. These folks are selling nothing but fake stuff. These rose water, CBD things, and has none of that stuff in there. So yeah, you can do it yourself. It's very quick and easy. Anyways, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. I'll be back to show you how to bottle it up. So our rose water has cooled down now. You want to get a strainer to strain out the rose petals just to get the water. And you need a, I'm just putting it in here because it's going to go in a dark bottle, but any clean glass jar. The rose petals didn't even want to come out. Smells really good. You could get a cheesecloth and squeeze it if you want to really get all the excess rose water out, but I do this often, so it's no need for me. And I have a pretty big batch right now. I'm gonna set this to the side, and actually this, I'm gonna put it in this jar because I'm trying to get it into this little bottle, and this mouth is pretty big. So I keep some wax paper down because I like to make a mess. So you're gonna get your funnel. Pour it in. And remember, keep it in a cool, dark space. Just to help it last a little longer. You can add this to your self-care Sundays. I don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Because I'm going to add a few drops of I think that was 4. Some rose essential oil. I like to add this because it just boosts it a little bit. Just give you a little boosted smell. And I like to add a few dried rose petals to it, just for that extra aromatherapy factor. Adding that rose essential oil really just pow. Gives you what you want. Can I get it right? Okay. Add your label. This is the marker that came with this set. It's not my favorite, but it gets the job done. You can add lavender to it as well if you like. Do some rose lavender water. You can do rose oil. There's so many benefits of rose. Add it to your bath. All natural ingredients: water, roses, little essential oil, and dried rose petals. And there you go. You have yourself a little set of rose water, and it's super easy, super fast. Not too messy. I'm a little messy, but it's a great gift to someone. You want to give them a cute little self-care gift, cute little activity to do, anything. All right, so that's that for this week. Thank you guys for checking out my channel. Go ahead and like, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks again. You have a blessed week.